Bonjour! This video goes along with my post on wild animals or farm animals. Wesiinhik, Ookaanag, Mukwa, bear, Nika, Canadian goose, Amik, beaver, Omakaki, frog, Amo, bee, Wagosh, fox, Mimingwa, butterfly, Ojig, fisher, Mashkode Bijiki, buffalo, Bijike, cow, Gnu, golden eagle, andeg, crow, chijip, duck, adik, caribou, anmosh, dog, bakakwe, chicken, wawashkeshi, deer, agangose, chipmunk, mashdatim, workhorse, jangwashe, mink, mong, loon, wabajeji, martin, bijou, lynx, wawa biganuji, mouse, kchiwawa biganuji, rat, agako jishi, woodchuck, mizase, turkey, winange, turkey vulture, maingan, wolf, asiganak, blackbird, jingos, weasel, washashk, muskrat, nisquadaisy, mud turtle, gokoko, owl, mikanak, snapping turtle, gokosh, pig, okan, farm animal, hojidamo, squirrel, gog, porcupine, jigog, skunk, benay, partridge, esiban, raccoon, waboos, rabbit, bapase, downy woodpecker, nenukase, hummingbird, benezi, thunderbird, opache, robin, wingweshe, Canadian jay, meme, pileated woodpecker, dindase, blue jay, gijiganishe, chickadee, Miyagi bene, pheasant, ganoush, northern pike, gigon, fish, dindise, blue jay, mong, loon, agangose, chipmunk, nenukase, hummingbird, gijiganishe, chickadee, asiganak, blackbird, jingos, weasel, ojig, otter or fisher, gnu, golden eagle, megaze, bald eagle, jangwashe, mink, Kchikadeganebik, alligator. Meet you.